AI can feel like one of two things. Either confusing buttons you never touch, or magic that saves you hours. If you want to cut your editing time in half, you are in the right place. I'm Agnes, your guide to mastering CapCut, and today I'm showing you 5 AI tools that do the hard work for you. We are talking about instant captions, perfect beat syncing, and a mind-blowing bonus tool at the end that translates your video to any language in seconds. But there's a quick heads up, some of these AI tools are pro features and a few may use credits. You will see it when you tap them. These are the tools pros use too, but I'm going to show you how to use them even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest engagement hack. Captions. This is what makes your videos instantly more watchable because people can follow even when the sound is off. Typing this manually is a nightmare, so let's let AI do it. With your video on the timeline, go to the top left and click text. Then select auto captions. Select your spoken language. I always check delete current captions to make sure I'm starting fresh. Before generating, you will see an option for AI emojis. You can turn this on and CapCut will automatically add the little emoji reactions that match what you're saying. Personally, I leave it off because I prefer cleaner captions, but it's there if you like that extra expressive style. Now hit generate and boom. In seconds, CapCut has listened to your video and typed out every word. But we aren't stopping there. Standard white text is boring. Click on your caption clip on the timeline. On the right side panel, go to templates. This is where you make it pop. You can choose styles that highlight the active words, glow or bounce. Pick one that fits your vibe. If you're not sure, pick something clean and readable. Keep it classy. And here is a pro tip. You can still tweak these. Go to the basic tab to change your fonts or color to match your brand. Now you have professional subtitles and you didn't type a single thing. One feature, huge win. Next, let's glue your viewer's eyes to the screen with object tracking. Let's make it fun with both text and the sticker. Add them to the timeline first. Go to text, add text and type something short and punchy. Let's put like. Now go to stickers and pick one you like. Let's get a funny emoji. You can adjust both their sizes. Now we'll use tracking so they follow our subject automatically. It instantly makes your edit feel more dynamic. With your text selected, look at the right panel and click the tracking tab. Select motion tracking. See this yellow box? Drag it exactly over the object you want to track, a face, a hand, a full body, a product, a car, anything moving that you want to follow. You will see a few options here. For direction, leave it on both. You can turn off scale and distance for now to keep it simple, but leave them on if you want it to subtly zoom as the subject comes closer or moves further. Hit start. CapCut analyzes the movement frame by frame. Now do the same for the stickers. Let's leave scale and distance on for this so you can see the difference. And look at that. They are both logged on. It looks like you spent hours keyframing, but it took one click and a couple of quick tweaks. If the tracking isn't perfect, don't panic. If it drifts, make the box slightly bigger and run it again. If your subject leaves the frame, just track the visible part, and if it shakes, pick a steadier area to lock onto. This is one of the biggest beginner to pro jumps in CapCut. You can use this for names following person or even to blur out a license plate on a moving car. It's a game changer. But nothing ruins a video faster than bad timing. If your cuts don't hit the music beat, it feels awkward. So let's fix that. First, I'm going to place a few photos on the timeline, then I'll drag my music onto it too. There are two ways to do this. The old way, you would listen to the music and mash that M key on the keyboard, or click the add marker button to add markers manually. Now you've got your guide. Just drag each clip to a marker so it snaps into place. Then play it back and check the timing. This method is brilliant if you're picky, but that takes forever, so let's use the AI. First, clear any old markers, so we are starting clean. Click on one of the markers, right-click and choose Delete all markers in clip. Your music track still selected, look for the flag icon that says Auto Mark Beats. Click on it. You will see beat 1 and beat 2. Beat 1 finds the main, heavy hits on the song. Beat 2 finds the faster in-between rhythms. Let's stick with beat 1 for a clean look. See those blue dots on the audio track? These are your perfect cut points. Now, this is the hidden gem. Make sure Auto Snap is turned on in your main toolbar, because then everything snaps into place properly. And watch this. When I drag my clips near the dots, they magnetically snap right to the beat. And watch it back. It creates that high energy flow instantly. What used to take 20 minutes now takes only 20 seconds. Brilliant. We are halfway there, and the fun tools are still coming. And of course, the bonus you don't want to miss. If these tips are saving you time, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It keeps us growing and brings more great people along for the ride. Now, let's get back to the magic. This next tool allows you to change reality. It's called AI Remix. You can add objects that weren't even there when you filmed, or swap them around. But rule number 1, keep it short. AI Remix works best on clips under 10 seconds. So trim your footage down to just the moment you want to enhance. Select the clip, go to the Video tab and find AI Remix. You will see a prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what to do. So keep it simple. For better result, you can add extra details if you want. If you have a person in the shot, the AI is smart enough to even put the effect behind them. Now click Generate. It takes some time to process, and if it's not perfect, try tweaking your prompt to be more specific, or simply simplify the prompt. And look at that. It adds that wow factor to boring B-rolls without you needing to know any visual effects or 3D software. Right, here comes the fun bit. What if I told you that you are now a multilingual genius? CapCut has a feature called AI Video Translator that will blow your mind. Select your video clip where you are talking to the camera. Most people open CapCut, see the timeline, the buttons, the menus, and instantly feel lost, but that's normal. Go to the Audio tab on the top right, scroll down to find Video Translator. Select your source language, for me it's English, then pick your target language, let's go with Italian. Now, this is critical. Check the box that says lip sync. This doesn't just dub your voice, it reshapes your mouse movement to match the new language. Now hit apply. It might take a minute because it's doing heavy processing. And look at that, it sounds like me, but suddenly I'm speaking to a whole new audience.
La maggior parte delle persone apre CapCut, vede la timeline, i pulsanti, i menu e si sente subito persa, ma è normale.
Now, be aware, because it's regenerating pixels around your mouth, it might slightly lower the video quality. So if you want a safer alternative that keeps your video looking crisp, that's exactly why you need the bonus feature. If you want to reach a global audience without changing your video quality, here's the bonus tool, Bilingual Captions. It lets you clip your original language and add the second language as captions. And the best part is, you can make it auto-update. Select your clip, go back to text, auto captions, but this time in the language drop-down, look for bilingual. This generates 2 lines of text, one in your language and one in the translation. And here is the fun bit. On the right panel, check Update Translations Automatically. That means if you fix a typo in the English text, the AI automatically corrects the other language translation instantly. It's incredibly fast, and this is how you go global without messing with lip sync and without risking quality drops. Well, that escalated quickly. AI is basically your unpaid intern now. You have a toolkit that captions your speech in seconds, tracks your motion, syncs your music, remixes your visuals, and even teaches you how to speak new languages. We've barely scratched the surface though, so in my next video I'm showing you CapCut's AI Video Maker, a tool that literally creates videos from scratch. You don't want to miss that. But right now, if you want to master the manual side of editing to pair with these AI tools, Dina's latest video on CapCut techniques is the perfect next step that's definitely worth watching. And if you had fun learning with me today, drop us a like and hit that subscribe button. New CapCut tutorials dropping every week, always practical, always beginner friendly. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.